This is a crochet jumper pattern. Size is suitable for 3 to 4 years baby girl. In this pattern I am using 4 color of yarns, and this is a baby soft yarn and 1 or 2.5 mm crochet hook. You can take a 3 mm crochet hook also if you want, and chain. Here I am taking total 60 chains, and then I am join together with slip stitch, make big circle. This is a neck size of this jumper. If you want to make the bigger size, then you can increase your foundation chains, and then make one single crochet in each stitch. This is a second round. I have completed my single crochet round, and then make 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, one more DC stitch in the same stitch, then 1 chain, skip the next one and go to the next and make 2 double crochet, then 1 chain, skip the next 1 stitches and go to the next and make 2 double crochet, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my third round. Now I am attaching my second color yarn in between the DC stitch space, and here I am making 1 single crochet, then 2 chain, count as a first double crochet, then 2 more double crochet in the same space, then 1 chain, skip the next 2 stitches and go to the next space and make 3 double crochet. You slowly increase your stitches. I have completed my third round, and then fourth round you take your another color yarn, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, the Crochet World, and attach this yarn in a space between this stitch, 1 slip stitch or single crochet stitch, then 2 chain, count as a first double crochet, then 1 more double crochet, then 1 chain, 2 more double crochet in the same space, then 1 chain, 1 chain, and go to the skip the 3 stitches, go to the space and make 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 more double crochet. Here I am increasing my stitches. This is a very beautiful and unique pattern. You can make it easily. I have completed my fourth round, and this is a neck part of this jumper. Now attach another color yarn for next round, and now in this round I am increasing my stitches, so go to the space and make 1 slip stitch, 2 chain, count as a first double crochet stitch, then 2 more double crochet stitch in the same space, then 1 chain, and then I am going to the going between the DC stitch a corner space, and here I am making only 1 double crochet stitch, then 1 chain, then 1 chain, and skip the next 2 stitches. Go to the space and make 3 double crochet stitch. Then 1 chain, go to the space and make only 1 double crochet stitch. Then 1 chain, go to the next space, make 3 double crochet stitch. You can increase your stitches in this way. I have completed my 5th round. Now I am going to the next round and attach my next color yarn. This is a 4th color. 3 chain, count as a first double crochet stitch, make 1 more double crochet, then 1 chain and go to the next space, make 2 double crochet, go to the next space, make 2 double crochet, then 1 chain, then go to the next space, make 2 double crochet, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my 6th round. This is a very unique pattern, and then I am attaching my next color yarn and make 3 double crochet in each space. Then